Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to freeze a row in Excel in Mac. I am using Windows but this method will work for Mac users. Just select your row or column to freeze any row or column. So just select any row which you want to freeze, then click on View and in Freeze Pens you can select this Freeze Top Row, Freeze First Column or Freeze Pens. Now you can see here this row is now freeze. Unfreeze, just click on it and select this the first option, freeze pens. So before this selected is freeze. Now you want to freeze these three, so select 4 and freeze. Firstly unfreeze, now freeze pen. So this way you can freeze pens, row and columns in Excel. Thanks for watching.